In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a stunning portfolio website using WordPress and Elementor, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. This is perfect for designers, developers, freelancers, photographers, or anyone who wants a clean and professional portfolio website without writing any code. We'll be using WordPress, the Astra theme, and Elementor to get everything set up quickly and easily. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, once you're logged into your WordPress site, head over to your WordPress dashboard. This is the main control center where you'll manage your themes, plugins, pages, and settings. Make sure your WordPress installation is ready and working properly before moving on. Next, we're going to install the Astra theme. From the dashboard, go to Appearance, then click on Themes. Click Add New, search for Astra, and install it. Astra is lightweight, fast, and works perfectly with Elementor, which makes it an excellent choice for portfolio websites. Once it's installed, don't forget to activate the theme. Now it's time to install the plugins we need. Go to Plugins, then Add New. Search for Elementor and install it. Elementor is a powerful drag-and-drop page builder that allows you to design your site visually. After that, search for Starter Templates and install that plugin as well. Starter Templates gives you access to ready-made portfolio designs that you can import with just a few clicks. Once both plugins are installed, activate them. After activating the plugins, navigate to Appearance and then Starter Templates. Here you'll be guided through a simple setup process. Choose Elementor as your page builder when prompted. Then browse through the available templates and search for a portfolio design that fits your style. You can preview each template before importing it. Once you find one you like, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. This will automatically create pages, layouts, and basic content for your portfolio website. Once the import process is complete, go ahead and review your website. Open your site in a new tab and click through the pages to see how everything looks. You should now have a fully functional portfolio website with a professional layout, images, and sections already in place. This gives you a strong starting point and saves you hours of work. Now comes the fun part, customizing your site. To make changes, go back to your WordPress dashboard, open any page you want to edit, and click Edit with Elementor. This opens the Elementor editor, where you can click on any section, text, or image and customize it. Update your name, bio, portfolio projects, images, colors, and fonts to match your personal brand. You can drag and drop elements, adjust spacing, and preview changes in real time. Take your time here and really make the site your own. Elementor makes it easy to experiment, and you can always undo changes if needed. Once you're happy with your edits, click Publish or Update to save everything. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to make a stunning portfolio website in WordPress and Elementor. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress and Elementor tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.